My lawyer is making me do this, and I just don't know why, and I don't want to do it. I'm attorney Danny Izquierdo of the Izquierdo Law Firm. And yes, there are times where criminal defense lawyers might pressure their client into accepting a plea deal. We've highlighted 3 reasons why a lawyer may pressure a client, a criminal defendant, into accepting a plea deal. I think number 1, the most obvious reason why an attorney might pressure their client into taking a deal is that that attorney is simply inexperienced. The attorney doesn't necessarily know what's going on, doesn't really know what they're looking at, and can't appreciate whether that plea deal is actually a good deal and something that their client should consider, or something that could be greatly improved upon with the right kind of work, the right kind of arguments. And therefore, when that plea deal is presented to their client, they feel that they have to pressure their client into accepting it because it can only get worse, and they're viewing it as already a good deal. However, because of their inexperience, they don't really know that it is a good deal or a bad deal, and they don't know how to make it better and how to approach the case to improve their client's situation. The second reason is the simple fact that this attorney just doesn't want to work on the case. This is a lawyer that knows exactly what they should do, what resources they should deploy. However, they just don't feel like doing it. They think, you know what, the deal's okay as it is. Nothing that major is going to happen. Let me force my client into taking this deal. Number 3 is one that's very obvious and sometimes, unfortunately, isn't obvious to the client or the defendant in a given case. And that is that the facts and the evidence are not in your favor. That means it is a weak case for the defense or the defendant, and a lawyer may feel that they've done everything they can, they've deployed all the resources possible, and this is as good as it's going to get. However, when it comes to the decision of, do I take this plea, do I reject it and proceed to trial, only you as the defendant get to make that choice. Your lawyer is allowed to counsel you, your lawyer is allowed to tell you what they think and whether you should take the plea or reject the plea. However, the decision is 100% yours.